Rajesh, thank you so much for taking time out today. Would you tell us a little more about the new Microsoft Cloud Business Unit we have at Infosys?
Sure. So if you look at Microsoft itself, right, over the last couple of years, they have brought in a significant amount of clarity as far as their product strategy is concerned. And, the market has responded exceptionally well. Not only have their share prices really done exceptionally well on the stock market, but if you look at from a customer standpoint, Microsoft has been received very well in the last couple of years. There's a tremendous amount of traction that they're seeing in the market. Infosys as a company has always been in the space of Microsoft. We have been doing Microsoft forever, right? But in what we have done recently, is that we have basically aligned ourselves a lot more to Microsoft's product strategy. We have created business units which are focused around the product lines that Microsoft is taking to the market. So we have a business unit which is around cloud. We have workplace transformation. We have CRM. We have analytics. We have also put together a Microsoft Tiger team, which is basically a set of really high-end specialists who are able to have conversations with the customer to figure out how we can produce a much more deeper value from the entire Microsoft set of products. So that's how our Microsoft Cloud Business Unit looks like today. And I'm happy to tell you that we have got some really good traction in the market, and I'm very happy with the way things are progressing in this space.
Amit, can you tell us a little bit about our Microsoft partnership and how we are approaching our clients together these days?
Absolutely. I think partnership with Microsoft is one of the hallmark partnerships that we have. It's a fairly long and a strategic relationship we have. It goes all the way back to Steve Ballmer and Bill Gates days, along with Narayan Murthy and with Chris. It's a 30-year-old partnership, and all this while over the last 30 years, we've actually partnered very closely in terms of transforming our customers together. The partnership becomes even much more critical as Microsoft is re-energizing and re-looking at their own offerings and partnering with customers in terms of their digital transformation journey. And as you know, Infosys is also talking about the digital journey and energizing the core. And both the companies are working together to realize this journey for their customers. So we have a very close partnership. We're working with a lot of customers. We're jointly running campaigns for our customers. Infosys, in partnership with Microsoft, has built some terrific solutions across, be it Office 365, be it Modern Workplace, be it Dynamics, be it Azure, which we are making as part of our offerings as our IP and taking to the customers.
So thanks, Amit. Now, we are certainly seeing a very clear move from Microsoft in moving to cloud-based consumption models. How does that change the nature of our relationship? How does that change how we go to market together with Microsoft?
I think it's a great question, because Microsoft is also transforming their sales. As you know, that it's all a services-based. They are transforming from a license-based to a services-based, and they're increasingly focused and want to partner with SIs like us, because SIs like us really know the industry. They really know the domain. They know the customers. They know the customer problems. And if you look at it, Microsoft, as they're transforming, they're also talking a language that is quite similar to us, because for them, digital transformation is incomplete if the customer is not happy. It's not a life about selling the software and walking away. They want to ensure that customers adopt cloud, and they make it as part of their, and they drive the continuous adoption. In that context, I think the software plus services really comes alive, because our services are incomplete without their software, and similarly vice versa. Their software are incomplete without services. So I think with this, our partnership even goes to the next level, because we're really building the solutions that an IP that we can go to the customers as one single partnership, as truly managed service providers, which customers can really benefit the value out of it. Where this customer gets a single throat to choke with Infosys, we provide the complete environment from development to billing to operations, and Microsoft also really gets the value out of it, because they see more and more adoption from the customers.